Threads by Instagram was finally released by Meta, and a lot of Twitter refugees are already trying out the new alternative. However, there are some things that are slightly weird about the Threads account deletion process. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing as we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year. If you simply want to temporarily deactivate your Threads account, the process is easy. But the second you decide to permanently delete it, things take a stupid turn. Let's learn how to deactivate the account first. Open the Threads app and navigate to the profile section. Now click on the menu icon on the top right. Then go to account settings and click deactivate profile. Once you click this button, your Threads profile will be hidden until you reactivate it. Also, this will not affect your Instagram account at all. Sadly, there is no way to permanently delete your Threads account alone. Your Instagram account needs to be deleted as well. If you still want to go ahead with the process, here are the steps. Go to the Instagram account that is connected to your Threads account. On the profile page, click the three-line menu at the top right. Click Settings and Privacy. Now find the Account Center and click Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Then tap Deactivation or Deletion. After this, you'll be able to temporarily or permanently delete your Instagram and Threads accounts altogether. We hope you were able to follow along with the tutorial. If it was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.